keep getting messages about how I do my messy bun with such short hair. So I'm gonna show you really quick how I get that done. And I almost feel like a fraud because like it's so simple and easy that I don't really have a lot of tricks, but hopefully there's something in this video that will help you out. We've been playing at the church gym, so it's a little out of sorts. However, I'm gonna show you really quick how I make it look kind of messy and full even though I've got short hair. So let's rewind, just take some bobby pins out, and then I'm gonna take my rubber band out and just kind of walk you through how I do it. First of all, it works much better on dirty hair. So my hair is going on about 4 days. Oh, that feels good. It's going on about 4 days of dirtiness. So that for sure is going to help you. You can fake dirtiness by adding a bunch of dry shampoo, but I find that this works best on the days where I just can't wear it down anymore. And I just need to throw it up because I don't have time to wash and dry it. The supplies you're gonna need are a spiral hair tie. This is kind of important because this allows your hair to kind of push through these little spirals and then kind of relax out a little bit instead of like a traditional rubber band. It's kind of like stuck in there and won't move. This just allows for a little bit more movement. And these are just little tiny ones. You can get them off Amazon or at Walmart or Target. And then you're gonna need a couple of handy dandy hairpins. So step number 1 is to put all of your hair up in a pony on top of your head. Now, if your hair is not long enough in the back, don't worry, you can kind of fudge that with some bobby pins. And a little tip, don't use a brush to do it because you want it to be kind of piecey and a little chunky, and if you use a brush, you're gonna end up looking like you slicked it all back. Next, you're gonna take your rubber band and we're gonna wrap it not quite all the way around. See how there's still like a little bit left under here? I'm gonna leave that and I'm not gonna use this arm to kind of pull that through because I wanna tuck those ends a little bit. So you twist that and then you're gonna pull it over one more time, and then you end up with like this little circle back little doohickey. Okay, so most people would stop here and be like, why is my hair not in a messy bun? Well, that's because you stopped one step short. Okay, so the final step is to take a couple of your bobby pins, and what we're gonna do is flip this forward. See how that totally changes what's happening on the top of your head? So what I do is kind of take my bobby pin and weave it up and down and through the hair and down, like attaching it to my pony. So I just kind of do that, and look at that. It's a messy little bun. So you can do a couple of bobby pins you might need to like just mess it up and kind of pin it around a little bit. This is the part that you just need a little bit to work it through. And then if your hair is short in the back, you just take your bobby pins and then pin that up. And that's kind of how, see how this is too short? All you do is pin it up. There you go. And that's how I do, oh, let's get this guy back up there. That's how I do my messy bun. And then you can just kind of play with it. Like if there's too many pieces sticking out, you can pin those back. But really that flip forward helps to hide the rubber band and give you that messy volume that you're looking for. And hopefully that's really helpful for you guys. I would love to see your messy bun pics. So if you wanna message me, show me how it works for you. If you have questions, you can always comment too, and I will share any tips that I have. But that's my video for today.